Okay, quiet down, everyone. It's time to start the auditions to see who will play Santa Claus for the upcoming Winter Assembly. Now, who is up first? Salamander. Yes, you're a very good dancer, Salamander. Next, Sloth. I said Sloth. Oh my. Okay, next, Robot. Okay, thank you, Robot. Now, who is next? Random flying karate guy? Oh, watch out for the letter S. The letter S is next. Thank you, letter S. Now, let's see. Who is next? Okay, next is Robot with a bigger head and scarier voice. Whoa! Not sure if that's too scary. Next, Santa and his reindeer. That sounds promising. I like what I see so far. I think we may have a win. No, wait, Santa, watch it! Okay, next, Banana? Banana? There you are, Banana. You're pretty fun. Oh, wait a minute. That's not a banana. That's Kevin dressed up as a banana. Ugh, Kevin. Next. Okay, next we have Robot with a normal-sized head, but assembled incorrectly and with a squeakier voice. Oh my. Okay, next we have Orange.
Oh, hi, everyone. You know, people say you shouldn't compare apples and oranges, but I compare them all the time. I mean, apples are bumpy, and they're terrible at golf. Am I right?
I'm not sure if this is a stand-up comedy show. Who do we got next? Rocket Dog. Let's see what you got. What the? No, the ceiling! Oh! You even got the holiday wrong.